Drycore recently asked you to send a few questions in about your home renovation projects to ask me. We got a ton of great questions, thank you very much. Our question is from Mark in Ottawa. Hi Brian, our place is open concept and it's hard to separate space. Now that I'm working remotely, I would love to create a quiet workspace free from distraction. Any tips? I got some pictures here, that is open concept. Basement, I got some great ideas here. Well, Mark, basements offer great isolated spaces from the rest of the house, which can be great if you're working from home a lot and you have the family running around you. I would know, lots of family, lots of kids. A basement like this is perfect for a home office. It can be transformed into a cozy, quiet area that's comfortable and inviting. Lighting and decor is important to create a bright, homely feel, make you comfortable down there. Plants are a great way to give the room some life and some color and also add some oxygen in there. If the room is bigger, like your basement appears to be, you could separate your office from the rest of the room with some tall furniture, like a two-way bookshelf, and use that extra space for some living area. So laying down Drycore will make the room warmer and a lot more comfortable. You'll be spending time in there, you want some comfort on your feet, you want to be nice and warm. These factors are at a premium in a space that you'll be spending most of the day during the working hours. Drycore. Don't build without it.